Hey there! It's time for another episode of this Tech Tips series. In this Tech Tips series, we are diving into the exciting world of Powtoon. This episode is part of the Animation 101 Tech Tips series. In the previous episode, we explored how to add texts, characters, and props on your Powtoon project. In this video, we now explore how to add images and videos to your Powtoon project. Are you ready? Let's start. Adding images. To add an image, click the Images button. You will then be presented with three options: Upload Image, My Images, and Premium Images. If you choose the Upload Image button, a pop-up will appear. Locate the file you want to upload and simply drag and drop it to the pop-up, or you can click on the Upload button and select your desired image file. When you upload images, you can locate them from the My Images button. You can also choose from the available sample images provided by Powtoon. In the Premium Images button, various images are available, including free and premium images. You can also search your mood for images. Just click the Find Your Mood search bar. If you want to search images, just go to the search bar above and type in what images you are looking for. Once you have placed your desired image on the stage, there are options above where you can edit your image. You can swap it with another image, lock it in place, flip horizontally, or crop the image. If you click the Settings button, you'll reveal more options like Add Frame, Opacity, Effects, Orientation, Arrangement, and Hyperlink. You can also adjust the size of the image by dragging the circles surrounding the image. You can also rotate your image. Adding videos. To add a video, click the Video button. You will then be presented with various options. You can upload your video from your PC or choose from the My Videos and My Recordings bar. You can also select your video from the Video Footage tab below. There are free videos available, usually found on some of the folders here. There are also premium videos available. If you choose the Upload Video bar, a pop-up will appear. Just like earlier, locate the file you want to upload and simply drag and drop it to the pop-up, or click on the Upload button and select your desired video file. You can trim the video according to your preferred length. If you are satisfied with your video length, click Apply. In the My Videos button, you can locate your past uploaded videos and choose some free videos that you can use for your project. If you want to use your own recorded video, just click the My Recordings button. There are also the pre-recorded videos found in these folders. There is the Video Footage folder, Business and Professions folder, and many more you can explore. Once you have placed your desired video on the stage, there are options above where you can edit your video. You can swap it with another video, lock it in place, adjust the volume, or reduce soundtrack volume when the video is playing. If you click the Settings button, you'll reveal more options like Add Frame, Opacity, Effects, Orientation, Arrangement, and Hyperlink. You can adjust the size of the video by dragging the circles on the corners. You can also rotate your video. And there you have it! You can now start adding images and videos to your Powtoon project. In the next Tech Tips episode, we will learn how to add audios to your Powtoon project. See you there!